Hey, hi guys, my name is Rachel Benyon, and that's me. Okay, so I want to be a neuropsychologist, and neuropsychologists examine the effects traumatic brain injuries have on a person's behavior, mood, and ability to think, and they also explore treatments to help these people. And they can work in research to discover more about the brain's functions and structures, or in a clinical setting where they carry out assessment, evaluation, diagnosis, and treatment of brain disorders. And some of their duties they do are they conduct evaluations such as assessment of intelligence, academic ability, attention, concentration, sensorimotor function, language learning, and memory. And they diagnose and treat conditions involving damage to the central nervous system and learning disabilities. And they also help people with, it's a lot of like traumatic brain injury, people that have ADD or ADHD, or learning disabilities, or they also help people with dementia and Alzheimer's, people just where like something's kind of gone wrong in the brain, and they help and counsel those people. So provide counseling to individuals and families, and conducting research on neuropsychological disorders. Someone's so wrong. Okay, so neuropsychologists are required to have at least a doctoral degree. When I was looking at ONET, they recommended having postdoctoral training or education, but at the very least, you have to have a doctorate. I am currently majoring in psychology with an emphasis in psychology. However, I'm planning to change my emphasis to health psychology because I think it'll help prepare me better for graduate school and a career in neuropsychology. And I'm thinking about minoring in philosophy, and I'm currently looking at becoming a neuropsychologist and trying to use my undergraduate studies to prepare me as best I can for graduate school, and where I'll earn my PhD. And that's kind of how my education relates to my 4-year plan. I'm majoring in psychology because I am fascinated with the brain and how it works and how it's affected by different factors, and I decided to become a neuropsychologist because of its involvement with that, and I also really want to help others, and I think psychology is just a great way to combine my fascination with the brain and helping others. And so the reasons in chapter 13, I took the reasons in chapter 13 that reflected my own reasons and put them here. So those are: I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. I want to become a professional psychologist, and psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for graduate or a professional degree. So that's kind of a little bit about me and neuropsychology, and I thank you for watching.